So first thing first, you have to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and also the NFL RedZone with Sports Plus bundle. Don't forget to ensure both of the plans is still active, because you cannot watch overtime without having YouTube TV base plan and also NFL RedZone plan in the first place. So from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the store icon. Then you want to click on all to see all the networks, and then you want to search for NFL RedZone bundle. Right here, just click on it. And as you can see, if you want to buy the NFL RedZone bundle, you must have the YouTube TV base plan first. So you have to purchase both of the plans at once, YouTube TV base plan for 16 bucks and NFL RedZone for 11 bucks per month. But if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, you are eligible to purchase just the NFL RedZone package. But either way, just click on next and complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even your PayPal. And after you bought the package, to watch overtime, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for overtime. And as you can see right here on Overtime Network, you want to click on it. Then you may scroll down and see the live session of the overtime. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.